Every morning is a blank page, an opportunity waiting to be seized. Yet for so many of us, the morning feels like a rush, a blur of alarms, coffee, and quick glances at the time. But what if we could transform our mornings into a time of peace, power, and purpose? Let's talk about the perfect morning routine, not something unrealistic, but a simple, powerful set of habits anyone can follow. Today, we'll cover the steps to craft a morning that brings out your best self. Step 1. Wake up early and gently. Waking up early doesn't just mean setting an alarm, it's about creating a calm start to your day. Just 30 minutes can change everything, giving you a sense of control and peace before the rush begins. Choose a gentle alarm tone like soft music or nature sounds. When you wake up to a loud, jarring alarm, it triggers stress from the get-go. A soothing sound eases you into wakefulness and sets a calm tone. Avoid the snooze button, though tempting, it often makes you feel groggier. By getting up on the first alarm, you avoid the trap of fragmented sleep. Positioning your alarm across the room can help too. This small step makes you get out of bed, and that initial action can be enough to keep you going. Waking up early also gives you time to reflect, plan, or just breathe before your day officially starts. Rather than feeling rushed, you're starting your day with intention. Try setting your alarm just 10 minutes earlier each week until you reach your ideal wake-up time. A gentle start can bring clarity, focus, and a sense of readiness for whatever the day brings. Step 2. Start with hydration. After a night of sleep, your body needs hydration to wake up fully. Drinking water as soon as you wake up is a simple habit with powerful benefits. Sleeping for hours naturally dehydrates your body, so reaching for water first thing is essential. It kickstarts your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and fuels your organs to begin functioning optimally. Some people add a slice of lemon for vitamin C or a pinch of salt for electrolytes, both of which can further boost hydration. Studies show that hydration in the morning can help improve focus and prevent sluggishness throughout the day. Plus, by rehydrating, you're setting yourself up for a more energized morning. To make it easier, keep a glass of water by your bedside or in the kitchen, ready to drink as soon as you wake up. This small yet powerful habit brings clarity, energy, and freshness to your morning and helps your body transition smoothly from rest to action. Step 3. Practice mindfulness or meditation. Mindfulness or meditation can help you start your day with a calm, clear mind. Just a few minutes can make a huge difference. A simple mindfulness practice in the morning grounds you, helping you handle stress better and approach the day with focus. Start with just a few minutes of deep breathing. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and focus on each breath. Inhale deeply, hold, and exhale slowly, clearing your mind of thoughts and bringing your attention back to your breathing whenever it wanders. Guided meditation apps like Headspace or Calm are great for beginners, as they walk you through the process. Meditation has been proven to reduce stress and improve focus, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. Morning mindfulness prepares you for whatever the day throws at you, and it's a small act of self-care. Building this habit helps cultivate a steady, resilient mindset, allowing you to navigate the day with calmness and clarity. Step 4. Set your intentions for the day. Setting intentions gives your day purpose. It's about deciding how you want to feel and what you want to achieve before distractions take over. Intentions aren't just tasks, they're the why behind your actions. Grab a journal and write down 3 things you want to focus on today. Think about what matters most to you. Maybe it's be kind to myself, finish my report, or stay present with family. Setting intentions brings clarity, helping you focus on what truly aligns with your values. When challenges arise, these intentions remind you of your goals, making it easier to avoid distractions and stress. A great way to start is by asking, what would make today great? This question can help you identify what's meaningful. Intentions don't have to be big. Simple goals like stay focused or practice patience are powerful. By setting intentions, you approach your day with mindfulness and purpose. It's a daily reminder of your values, keeping you centered and motivated even amidst a busy schedule. Step 5. Stretch and move. A little movement in the morning helps shake off sleepiness, boosts energy, and sets your body and mind in motion. Starting the day with movement doesn't mean a full workout. Just a few minutes of gentle stretching or yoga can be incredibly effective. After hours of stillness during sleep, stretching helps increase blood flow, wakes up your muscles, and enhances flexibility. Begin with simple stretches. Reach up high, touch your toes, or perform a gentle twist. Focus on areas that tend to hold tension, like your neck, shoulders, and back. Even just a few minutes can improve circulation, loosen tight muscles, and make you feel more awake. Yoga is also a fantastic option. A short, mindful flow focusing on breathing and body alignment helps both your body and mind find balance. Popular poses like downward dog, child's pose, and gentle back bends are easy to follow and highly effective for morning stiffness. Incorporating just a few minutes of movement into your morning activates your body and shifts your energy from rest to action. This small routine leaves you feeling physically refreshed, mentally sharp, and ready to take on the day. Step 6. Fuel your body. Breakfast is your morning fuel. It's essential for energy, focus, and overall health. Choosing the right breakfast helps you start the day on the right note. Breakfast should be more than a quick meal. It's an opportunity to nourish your body after fasting overnight. Your first meal of the day refuels your brain, jumpstarts your metabolism, and keeps you focused until your next meal. Studies show that a balanced breakfast improves concentration, mood, and productivity. Look for nutrient-dense options that combine complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats. For example, oatmeal with fruit and nuts provides fiber and sustained energy. A smoothie with spinach, berries, and protein powder can be another great option, loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Avoid heavy, sugary breakfasts that lead to energy crashes mid-morning. Instead, focus on foods that provide lasting energy. Eggs, whole grains, yogurt, and fresh fruits are excellent choices that support brain and body function. By fueling your body with wholesome foods, you're not only boosting your energy but also supporting focus and mood throughout the day. This mindful approach to breakfast keeps you balanced, giving you the nutrients to perform your best. Step 7. Avoid immediate distractions. In the digital age, it's tempting to reach for your phone first thing in the morning, but avoiding distractions right away can help protect your focus and mental space. Reaching for your phone as soon as you wake up can put you in a reactive state before you've even started your day. Checking emails, social media, or news feeds immediately can flood your mind with information, stress, or comparison before you've had a chance to focus on your priorities. Instead, keep your phone on Do Not Disturb mode for at least the first 30 minutes of your morning. Focus on yourself and your routine. This gives you a calm, distraction-free space to set your intentions, stretch, and hydrate without interruptions. If possible, place your phone out of reach, perhaps on the other side of the room, so you're not tempted to check it impulsively. You can also replace the habit by reaching for something beneficial, like a book or your journal, to help you set a positive tone for the day. Creating this buffer between waking up and engaging with digital distractions makes a noticeable difference. It protects your focus, helps you approach the day with intention, and allows you to start on a calm, productive note rather than in reaction mode. A well-crafted morning routine keeps you in control, even as life throws its challenges your way. By choosing how you start each day, you give yourself the gift of stability, focus, and resilience. The effects of this routine don't just end in the morning, they extend into your day, shaping how you react, work, and connect with others. Remember, you don't need to implement every step all at once. Start with 1 or 2 and gradually build up. Consistency is key. Over time, these small habits compound, bringing out a version of yourself that feels more empowered and ready for life's opportunities. Thank you for watching. If these tips inspired you, don't forget to subscribe for more ways to unlock your potential each day. Let's make every morning a step toward the life you truly want.